Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with a channel update. Just had a good day today, went to change the oil on the Cobra, and I was looking, I still have the sticker here, and as you can see, 41,000 miles was when it was supposed to be changed, and here we are 12 years later, and only 44,000 miles. So we've changed the oil so many times on this car just because it's needed to be changed by time and not by mileage. So it probably has a very clean engine. So just took it around the block to get the oil nice and warm. I really do like the way that this screaming yellow looks next to the voodoo blue. That's the color of the Tundra that we have now. Look at this Texas gold. Still clear coming out. I use the good old Motorcraft FL820S, Ford filter, and I do have a full video that I can put in the video description on how to change the oil on the Cobra if you want to see that. I do have a tutorial for that. But again, letting the oil drain, I just enjoyed some music and looking at the nice colors that we have here between the two of them. So we're usually parking the SUV on this side, so we put this little jack up as telling us when to stop when he hits the windshield, and the kids love seeing that all the time. It was a lot of fun to have some garage time and listen to music, and here's the valve covers, the cam covers as I was talking about. I think that's why I like the way that the blue truck looks with the Cobra, is probably because you have this same color combination going on here. So it was really nice afterwards to take the Tundra out with nice cold air conditioning, deposit the spent oil, drive around the neighborhood a little bit, and just enjoy the days. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Just a quick little update, nothing too special. Just enjoying the hot weather. I really don't mind the hot weather. It's just hard with kids and everything. I just want to have good air conditioning. That was my old house right there. So just a little memory lane. Thanks, guys.